guys, welcome to HackMakeMod. I'm Brandon.
I'm Christian.
Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Chad.
Today, we're gonna build a Bluetooth speaker,
A vacuum cleaner.
arcade game.
The best flashlight.
We decided to remake it ourselves.
I think there's a lot of different ways for people to learn.
You can make a lot from a little. A little bit of money, a little bit of resources, and you'll be able to make a lot of value out of that. If you have a slight interest in technology or 3D printing or programming, any of that, we want to make it entertaining and hopefully we all learn something. Something to get you inspired and try stuff without being afraid.